Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to apply a decal onto your windshield, either it's front or back. So once you receive your decal, it's going to look like this. So the first thing that we recommend doing is kind of squeezing over it. You could just use any card. We use our Lego card, as you can see, and you kind of just press on it a little bit just to ensure that the decal is sticking onto the transfer paper before you apply it. You can go over this until you think it's been enough. Alright, then the next step you would do is get some Windex and a microfiber towel and just spray down the area where you're gonna do it to ensure that the area is clean. Make sure the surface is fully dry before you apply the decal. Okay, so you're just gonna grab the decal from whatever side you're gonna start. So I'm gonna start from where it says fear. You're gonna find whichever edge is easier to remove. Okay, so what I personally like to do is just kind of set the decal like this and start rolling it back kind of like this. It's what's easier for me ever since I've started applying the decals, and as you can see, the decal is lifting perfectly onto the transfer paper. And you kind of just continue going very slowly so you don't risk messing up the decal, because we don't want you guys to have any issues. Okay, you could also place it on a flat surface and kind of start going like this, whatever way you find easier. Okay, you're gonna place the decal wherever you're gonna put it. So for video purposes, we're actually not checking if the decal is in the middle. We're just trying to show you guys how to apply it, so it might be a little off. Okay, so once you have your decal wherever you want it, you kind of just want to set it on one side, and once again you're gonna go ahead with that card and you're just gonna slowly start flattening it up like this. Okay, since we already went side to side, we're gonna go up and down. Make sure there's no little bubbles in there. And you're gonna start peeling it away slowly once again. As you can see, it's coming off pretty good, but just slowly because you don't want to accidentally risk any part of the decal kind of like ripping off. And as you guys can see, I didn't really center it that good, but it was just for tutorial purposes.